Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve the problem Palindromifier from Codeforces round 676 division 2. Right. Problem statement says that we have given a string of length n and we have to make it a palindromic string, right, by performing either of the two operation. Now what are the two operation? Let's see our operation first by taking example. Let's say we have a b a c, right? So our first operation going to be something like that. We have to choose any ith element we have to choose, right? So let's say I have choose this third index as my I, right? So in one operation, what I can do, I can choose this substring from 2 to the I, that is 2 to 3, and I can reverse that substring AB, and now this substring is going to append at the front, right? So this is something like this. So our after performing first operation, our original string looks like something this: a b a b a c, right? This is going to be our for one operation, and our second operation is going to be something like this. If we have a b a c string, right, we can choose any I. Let's say I have choose this as I, 1 2 3 4, right? If I have choose this index, the second index as I, then what I can do, I can choose this uh, substring from starting from 2 to n minus 1, that is 3, right? And what I can do, I can reverse this that substring, that is a b, and I can append this string to the end of our original string, that is a b. So after performing second operation, our string looks like something like this: a b a c a b. So out of these two operation, we can perform one operation at a one time, right? And we can perform at max 30 operation, right? And we our goal is to make palindromic string, right? So let's take an example. If I have a string a b c d, right? Basically it's an observation problem. We need to observe how the pattern form, right? So we need to make this string as a palindromic, right? So what I am thinking that let's make the last index as our middle middle element of our final palindromic string, right? So uh, if this as a our middle element, this element as a middle element, then our palindromic string something should be something looks like this: cba, right? Then only our string will going to be palindrome, right? So I have to uh, transfer this prefix string to the end, that means to the right, like, right? So uh, but I can choose I always greater than equal to 2, like we can only choose I from second index. We can only choose I from second index, right? If we need to send to the left, then if I choose this index, I can't choose this one first index. If it is possible to choose this first index, then simply I choose this index, and I can choose this substring and send it to the after reversing this substring, I will send it to the end, right? But this is not the case. We can't choose this index. So we can choose the only second index. So if I choose 2 and 3, then our final string looks like a b c d c b only. There is no a, right? So this is not palindromic palindromic string, right? Palindromic string, right? What my thought process is that uh, if I could make this string palindromic if our first element and last element is going to be same, right? uh, and one more thing is that I can make this b as a first element, right, by choosing this I and shift it to the left. And one more thing is that I can do one more thing, that is that I can choose this b I can choose this b and I will make it I can transfer it to the right, like, right. But in the if I want to transfer it to the right, there should be an a there should be a cam before this string, right? So this is what rough idea what I am thinking. So basically I am performing three operation, right? uh, for in first operation, let's say I have string a b c d 1 2 3 4, right? In first operation I choose I as 2. I am choosing I as a 2 and I am sending it to the left. I am sending it to the left, right? So now our final string is going to be something look like A B sorry B A B C D, right? And our indexes is 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? Now what I need to do, I need to make CVA here, right? So now I can choose this index because it's second index now, right? So I can choose this index I as a 2. Once again I am okay, first complete this our first step. In first step I am choosing 2 and sending it to the left, right? So this is going to be our first operation. In second operation what I'm doing, I am choosing this I, so as I as a 2 and sending this substring to the end. So to choose this substring I have to first reverse this substring, so then that is something look like CBA, and I will append this substring to the end of our original string, right? So this is going to be like CBA here. So now our string looks like BABCDCBA, right? So this is our current string, and in previous operation what we have done, we have shift this substring to the right, like, right? So I am performing this second operation as right and index using 2. Now what I need to do, I need to make our last index same as our first index, right? So other than this, if this is the middle element, as I have explained earlier, if this is the middle element, then this C and this is same, B same, A same. We only need the last element. So simply I am choosing the n minus 1th index and transfer it to the end. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I am choosing this 7th index and transfer it to the right. Third. So in this three operation I can perform any of the string. I can convert any string into the palindromic string. If you want to take any another example, let's take a P P Q R S T, something like this, right? So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 as the index. In first operation what I am doing, I am shifting I am choosing this second index, right, and I am shifting it to the left. So I am shifting this index to the left. So after the first operation our string is going to be look like P P P Q R S T and our indexing is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? And second operation what I am doing, I am choosing I as a 2 and I am shifting this substring from I to n minus 1 to the right. right? So before appending it and at the end we have to reverse it. So our reverse string is going to be looks like srq p p, and I am simply appending it to the end, q p p, right? uh, so and now in third operation what I am doing, I am performing this operation r and 7, that is 7 8 9 10 11 12. This 7 is basically our n minus 1th index, right? So what is our n minus 1th index? That is this index. So I am just simply transferring it to the right, and this is the 10. So this p p p q r s t s r q p p p, this is going to be our final palindromic string, right? So this is the basic observation. In this three move we can simply convert any string into the palindromic string by performing the mentioned two operation, these two operation, right? So yeah, this is the solution. If you want to see the code is in the description. This is code is very simple. It's just simply this three line. We are performing this first operation, this is the second operation, and this is the third operation. I am doing uh, n is equal to n into 2. This is that is basically I am just uh, after this let's just see this. After the second operation our string going to be uh, our length of our string is going to be 2n, right? So that's why I am multiplying this n by 2, right? So yeah, this is the solution. Thanks for watching.